Hello dear students, how are you? We have Science 3, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Lesson 2. Our subject is birds. We will talk about birds. Of course, we have animal groups, mammals, birds. Birds have two wings to fly. They have two wings to fly. Look at the wings. 1, 2. 1, 2. Birds use their wings to fly, to move in the sky. They have feathers on their wings. They move their wings to fly. That's why they can fly, by their wings. Birds have two legs. Birds have two legs. They have two legs. Look at these wonderful birds. 1, 2. 1, 2. They have two legs. Birds use their beak to eat. Look. Look, this is wing. This is wing. This is eyes. 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 Beak. 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 They use beak to eat. They use beak to eat. This is beak. Birds are animals that have feathers. These feathers. They have feathers on body and wings. And wings and body. They are covered with feathers. Look. Both of them are on birds group. Birds group. Cropter. Cropter or rare mouse. Rare mouse or cropter are not on birds group. Do you know that? Cropter or rare mouse are on mammal groups. Mammal groups, not birds group. Birds are animals that have feathers. Birds have two legs, and also birds have two wings. Birds use their beak to eat. Birds all grow with eggs. Thank you for attention.